Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。你知道我左想右想啊，其实最实用的啊，就是在身边的这两只手。
左手右手。
Yeah, when it comes to practicality, our hands are the most practical things in front of us. So let's teach you terms related to the hand. 手怎么说？
树。
对，这好久以前就教过了，好像是大树的树啊，好像 it sounds like a tree, but it's actually your hand. 树 ，OK？ 那树有分左手、右手，对不对？There's the left hand, there's the right hand. 这个怎么说呢？
左手做树，
做树 that's the left hand. 那右手呢？
右树，
右树 OK, that's right hand. 所以
也会有人说右手叫真树。
真树 There's another way of saying your right hand. 所以做 and you is 左 and 右 that's left and right respectively. OK, 跟手有关系还有这个手机 OK, which means your handheld cell phone. All right.
手机，
手机就手机嘛哈 Everyone should have one these days. 然后呢，就会脸红，你知道吗？会紧张，要牵一个女生的手，牵手啊。Holding hands, how do you say that?
牵手，
牵手 OK, that's holding hands.
那海陆腔的牵手，牵手。
牵手 that's a different dialect for holding hands. 我们造一个句好了，
好啊，
因为有时候会偷看到朋友说，昨天看到你们牵手咯。对 I saw you guys holding hands last night.
爱凑本日，
爱凑本日 that's yesterday 昨天。
看到你哋，
看到你哋
就是看到你们。
Oh, that means I saw you guys.
牵手诶，
牵手诶，就牵手咯，对不对 ？Holding hands. All right. Okay, the whole sentence.
爱凑本日，看到你哋牵手诶，
爱凑本日，看到你哋牵手诶，
牵手诶，
牵手诶。Oh, there you go. That's I saw you guys holding hands last night. 好八卦的感觉，对不对？
是你呀
？No, 误会深大了，真的没有这样子，我都是看到别人这样子。
Okay,
let's review these terms. Your left hand, your right hand. 左手右手。
做树，右树。
做树，右树。
或者是真树。
真树 OK, 就是正手，对不对？ That also means right hand. And then your handheld cell phone or mobile phone. 手机。
手机。
手机 And then finally, holding hands. 牵手。
牵手。
牵手 And there you have it. It's all about practical Hakka here in ICRT.
什么台噶？
汉字写张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.